Meet the Beats Studio Pro, delivering powerful, immersive sound with advanced active noise cancelling and spatial audio. With a sleek design, all-day comfort, and long battery life, they're built for a premium listening experience anywhere you go. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Beats Studio Pro headphones, charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to charge. To charge your Beats Studio Pro, use the included USB-C cable with a 5-watt or higher adapter since no charger is in the box. Plug it into the headphones and a power source, and the LED lights will show the battery level. 5 lights mean fully charged, while a blinking light means it's still charging. How to pair. Download the Beats app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your Beats headphones. To connect your Beats Studio Pro to Android, first open Settings and go to Bluetooth or Connected Devices. Then tap Pair New Device. After that, press and hold the Power/System button on the left ear cup until the LED starts blinking white to enter pairing mode. Once they appear in the device list, simply tap on them and select Pair to complete the connection. First, download and install the Beats app from your App Store. Next, turn on Bluetooth and open the app. Then follow the on-screen instructions to detect your headphones. Once they appear, tap to connect and complete the setup, allowing you to access additional features and controls. Smart features? Beats Studio Pro was completely re-engineered to be the most powerful and precise over-ear headphones we've ever made. The updated driver with a 2-layer diaphragm, refined micro-venting, and 25% stronger magnets delivers rich, balanced sound and reduces distortion to virtually zero. An improvement of up to 80% compared to Beats Studio 3 Wireless, providing increased audio fidelity. Beats Studio Pro delivers surround sound you can take anywhere. With dynamic head tracking, advanced built-in sensors create an interactive experience so you can get lost in theater-like sound from your favorite content. Fully adaptive active noise cancelling continuously monitors the noise around you, then creates a precisely tuned filter to cancel noise at 48,000 times per second. With up to 40 hours of battery life, Beats Studio Pro keeps you immersed in your music longer. When you're low on power, a quick 10-minute fast fuel charge provides up to 4 hours of playback. Upgraded voice-targeting microphones in Beats Studio Pro give you high-quality call performance. These powerful microphones actively filter out background noise to enhance the clarity of your voice, up to 27% more than Beats Studio Wireless. Take calls, control your music, toggle listening modes, and activate Voice Assistant with the multifunction on-ear controls. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Beats Studio Pro headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Beats Studio Pro headphones. See you at the next one.